Teach a Man to Fish channel. For those of you who saw the last video, you saw me get that cast iron small griddle, number 8 griddle out of the thrift store. This will be a video of the cook of it in use after the restoration with the diffuser. If you hear sizzling in the background, future video, induction cooktop for those of you who want to save their glass top cooktops but still want to use cast iron. Those of you who remember this number 8 griddle in my last video with the diffuser, and again, I know it's supposed to be flipped the other way, but that warping and that crack did end up affecting how this pan sat on it, so it's no problem to have it set up in this manner. So we'll see how effective that diffuser is on cooking these pancakes, as well as you can see the non-stick surface going here for this new to me griddle. Sometimes when you're looking at cooking pancakes, you end up getting that half moon of the heat located in the center, or really hot on one spot and cooler on the other. I would definitely say with that diffuser, it's spreading that heat out across the entire pan. I've got an even cooking surface and temperature going here that's resulting in even pancakes, if there is such a thing. That diffuser is definitely doing its job. There are no hot spots on this griddle. I've got to put a little bit more heat into it to get that temperature to travel through all of that cast iron to get up there. But it's a smooth, even cooking surface, even heat. There's no hotter spots that you can see on the pancakes there. And as you can probably see there, these things are coming out delicious. Complaints over this breakfast. There's the final product. There was the 8-inch griddle with the diffuser in action. If you enjoyed the last video, this is the video that I promised where you could see it being put into use. So thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please click like, subscribe, and share. Come back for more.